Well, I couldn't stand it anymore. It's been raining all day, which is wonderful in a certain sense. I had to get out of the house. So we're over in the park taking a walk in the rain. It's not raining near as hard as it was. Just a little sprinkly. And Noodles is ecstatic to be out. There she is. There's the Noodler. Happy dog to be on the trail. Off you go, Noodles, in the rain. Noodles! 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 Come on, Noodles! Here comes a Noodle in a puddle. Oh, she's not going to go in the puddle. Look at that. She's a chicken. You chicken dog. In the rain. Oh, not too bad.